Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You sit, tighten your grip, and make the truck predictable. First, adjust seat and mirrors so controls are reachable and sight lines are clear. Put your right foot on the brake, then turn the key or press the start button to on and confirm dash lights go out. Make sure the gear selector is in P and the parking brake is set. This prevents rollback. Once done, release the parking brake only when you're ready to move and maintain pressure on the brake pedal as you prepare to shift. You move the shifter from P into D while your foot stays on the brake to control the initial motion. Once in D, slowly ease your foot off the brake and apply light throttle. This gradual input prevents jerky starts. Keep the steering relaxed, hands at approximately 9 and 3, and scan mirrors for traffic. When you need to change lanes or turn, check blind spots and signal early. Maintain steady speed with small throttle adjustments. Automatic gearing handles shifts, so focus on smooth inputs and anticipating stops. You approach your stop by easing off the throttle and braking progressively to avoid abrupt halts. Bring the truck to a full stop, hold the foot brake, then shift into P to lock the transmission. This prevents movement when parked. Apply the parking brake and turn the engine off with the key or button. If the truck shudders, hesitates, or the transmission slips during any step, check the automatic transmission fluid level and selector position. Low fluid or wrong gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.